The world of video continues to grow year on year. Already 80% of people watch video every day, and this is set to increase. Our video tours gain thousands of online views and help to find the best buyers for your property, only bringing the right people through your door. Our YouTube channel has been viewed over 250,000 times, and that's over 11,000 hours of video footage watched by potential buyers. Online videos have already helped to sell hundreds of properties to buyers from all over the world, and with global video consumption rising, we can easily target buyers locally as well as further afield. Social media presence is growing rapidly, and this forms the perfect platform for people to casually view, comment and share our videos. In fact, the latest statistics show 83% of people would consider sharing a video with friends and family. With almost 2/3 of people watching video from their smartphones, and sites like Rightmove, Zoopla and Prime Location already optimised for property videos, we can assure you that by using the very latest in video marketing, we can maximise the interest in your home.